Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Resistance bands, an ultimate tool for enhancing strength. If you are thinking till now that weights like dumbbells or kettlebells are the only solution for your strength training workouts, then think again. Put your dumbbells aside and take resistance bands. This portable piece of gym gear is even more effective in building strength and balance. This handy equipment allows you to work in full range of motion, therefore training with them will target muscles of those areas that you can miss with weights. Resistance bands are in general elastic stretchable bands that can be used for muscle building, strength training and some physical therapies also. Normally, they are made up of a rubber band about 10 to 15 inches long. Some come with handles at each end which can be gripped with your hands or placed at the end of your feet, although there are some models without handles. Why use resistance bands? This stretchy piece of fabric adds an entirely new level of challenge to your workout, putting your muscles to good work by adding that extra bit of resistance. The utilization of resistance bands is often a go-to for coaches trying to improve their athletes' movement velocity, strength, force production, and all-around power output. Bands are great for adding an additional challenge in compound movements such as the squat, bench press, and sometimes deadlift. It teaches your body to stabilize itself on demand, practicing the art of body control. This will play into other workouts you do, as you will notice that you become far more composed. The constant tension it creates adds completely new tests to your muscles and the body, rapidly improving its stamina. Using the band alongside other tools such as the dumbbell, kettlebell, or medicine ball gives your body more resistant to work against. So, if you're feeling like it's getting a little too easy, adding a resistance band will help regain some challenge to your workout. The added resistance from the band increases tension through both the eccentric and concentric portion of lifts but accentuates in the completion of the concentric portion of movements. This in return, will require athletes to recruit increased musculature, motor neurons normal weight may not facilitate. Common tips for resistance band training. 1. With all fitness exercises, posture and body alignment is critical. Keep the shoulders and hips aligned, tighten your abs, and relax the knees. Always maintain a natural spinal curve. 2. Never forget proper warm-up and cool-down sessions. 3. Control your movements with bands rather than letting it control you. Perform exercises in slow and controlled manner. Do not let the band snap. 4. Avoid locking and overextension of joints while exercising. 5. Don't hold your breath. Breathe evenly during exercise and exhale during the more difficult phase of the repetition. 6. Do not use resistance bands in starting. Perform the exercise without the band until you are comfortable with it, then add resistance band to increase workout's intensity. 7. Exercise with a band that allows you to complete 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions with mild fatigue on the last set. Precautions to take while using resistance bands. The two main dangers with resistance bands are breaking of the band or letting go of an end while under tension. The result of both these actions can cause the end of the band to snap toward you violently and potentially inflict serious damage. One of the most common injuries is eye damage. 1. Never release a resistance band while under tension. A release under tension can cause the band to snap back towards you and result in injury. 2. Begin all exercises slowly to ensure band strength. 3. Avoid jerking the band. 4. Always inspect your resistance band before using it. Look for signs of wear and tear, like cracks or holes in the latex and weakness around the handle. Once you see signs of weakness, it is time to throw it out. 5. Make sure the band is secured safely to its anchor when using it. Don't use doorknobs, for example. 6. Never stretch a resistance band over 2.5 times their length. 7. Do not store your resistance band in moist, hot, or sunlight areas. 8. Resistance bands are not toys and should never be used for any activity other than the specific exercises they were designed for. Resistance bands are a training modality that novice and experienced lifters can utilize to increase their strength, power, and force production. They should be used sparingly due to their taxing nature on the nervous system. If you're new to banded, accommodated resistance training, then we'd highly recommend seeking out a coach, or a medium that provides in-depth descriptions of the training adaptation you desire. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.